Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Leslie Pineda and I am with the University of Nevada, Reno's Extension. And today I am going to be talking to you guys about the importance of properly measuring and following directions in the kitchen with your children. Okay, if you guys don't know me already, I do the program Little Books, Little Cooks that the Extension offers here in Las Vegas. And it is a 7-week program that we have for families that have children that are 3 to 5 years old. And it is a parenting and school readiness class. Okay, so today I want to just go ahead and touch a couple of topics that are very important when you have children help you in the kitchen. I think a lot of us grew up with that, the instructions that were given to us when we were cooking, to put a pinch of this, a handful of that. And in reality, we could never really share a recipe with someone else, and sometimes the taste is different, the outcome is different. So what we talk about in lesson 3, cooking with children, is that teach them how to properly use measuring cups and measuring spoon, and not only to get the proper portions or amounts to make a good recipe, but it's also very important to introduce math to them. And here, as you can see, all the measuring cups have fractions, and it's really important to kind of also mention to them the numbers when we're doing a recipe with them. The 1/3, the 1/2, the 3/4. These are fractions, and they will be working with these numbers throughout their life, at least until after high school. They might continue to use these. And also the measuring spoons, the difference between the TBL and the TSP. I even have adults sometimes get confused on that. So these are very important tools, and these are fun ways of you teaching them to distinguish the letters. Okay, and they could repeat them to you, and you could even have them hand you the proper measuring after you read the directions on a recipe. Okay, and if you guys have joined me in my lesson 3 class, we have this book as a lending library, and this one you could acquire it on Amazon, or when the libraries do reopen, you could find it there as well. And it has great recipes that are quick, healthy, and fun. As you can see the pictures, they have children preparing the recipes. They're going step by step, following directions. You both together can read, which is very good at any age, and follow the directions and the steps. And you guys will also find the tablespoons, the amount of the tablespoon, the amount of the measuring cups, and how they're wearing their apron. And always remember to have safety in the kitchen. Okay, we do recommend that in the kitchen you always try to use plastic or stainless steel. Here I have different sizes of stainless steel mixing bowls. These are the ones that we try to always tell parents not to use with children. These could become very dangerous if they were to break. And also we always provide the children with a cutting mat or prep mat, and I have one here. So again, like I said, it's a good time to have the opportunity to engage the entire family on working together, preparing healthy recipes, and also take advantage of giving them a little quick math lesson or an introduction to math with these cooking utensils that almost everyone will find in their kitchen. Thank you for stopping by. And if you have any questions, my email is on the bottom. Thank you.